This video gives you an honest, no-fluff opinion about the Kenmore gas range oven, based on everything you need to know before buying. I have provided the link to this gas range oven in the description below if you want to know how much it costs. Let's start with what makes this range oven stand out. The front control layout is a major usability win. You don't have to reach over hot pans to adjust anything, which is both safer and more convenient. And the stainless steel design isn't just for looks. It really gives a polished, professional feel to your kitchen space. One of the best features here is the True Convection system. If you're tired of uneven baking, you'll love this. It uses a third heating element plus a fan to ensure your food is cooked evenly. Roasted chicken turns golden outside but stays juicy inside. It's a noticeable upgrade from standard ovens. The cooktop offers 5 burners, including an 18,000 BTU Turbo Boil that heats up water or oil in record time. Whether you're boiling pasta, simmering soup, or searing meat, this setup has all the flexibility you need for multitasking. It's a major plus for families or people who cook often. You also get some impressive extras, like the air fry setting. It comes with a basket so you can make fries, chicken wings, or even frozen snacks without drowning them in oil. It's genuinely useful and works surprisingly well. No more bulky countertop air fryer. Cleaning this oven is easier than most. You get both steam clean and self-clean options, which means no more heavy scrubbing after a big meal. The steam clean is great for quick wipe-downs, while self-clean handles more stubborn messes when needed. Now, it's not perfect. The oven doesn't come with smart connectivity, no app controls or voice assistant pairing, which some newer models do offer. And while the front controls are user-friendly, they can take a bit of getting used to if you're used to back panel setups. But for the price and what it offers, this Kenmore range gives excellent performance where it matters: power, consistency, and convenience. The delay start and keep warm functions are just the icing on the cake for busy households. You can start dinner when it's most convenient for you and make sure everything stays ready to serve. So if you're upgrading your stove or just tired of uneven heat and hard to clean surfaces, this model is definitely worth considering. Check out the link below for the latest price and more details.